Once your job is posted and candidates have applied, everything you need to manage your hiring process happens inside the Homebase Hiring Dashboard. Let's walk through how to review, organize, and take action on your candidates step by step. From the left-hand menu, click Hiring, then Jobs to see your job posts organized by status. The options are live, in review, draft, or closed. Select your live job post to view all applicants who have applied to that role. At the top of the page, you can filter candidates by their hiring stage. This means where they are in the hiring process. Then you can filter even further by their status. You can also see all of your candidates from the candidate table view by clicking Candidates from the left-hand page, where you can filter to see applicants for both closed and live roles. Click on any candidate to open their profile. Each profile includes a summary that highlights their experience, skills, and how they align with your job description. You will also see their full work history, tenure, and a link to their resume. Homebase lists their interview screener highlights so you can understand their responses and qualifications at a glance. Once you've reviewed a candidate, you can choose what to do next: decline, message, or schedule an interview, all from within the same screen. If you decline a candidate, you can still revisit their profile later if you change your mind. If you decide to move forward, click Request to Interview to find a time that works. For top matches, scheduling is even faster. Candidates can propose interview times automatically based on your availability, and you can accept or reschedule directly from their profile. After interviews are complete, return to the To Review section in your hiring dashboard. Here you can keep your hiring process organized and ensure accurate records. Confirm attendance, make hiring decisions, and add successful candidates directly to your team. You can also add to your team directly from someone's profile. All your actions from first message to final hire are tracked right here. With Homebase Hiring Assistant, you focus on the best candidates and not the busy work. Manage your hiring process from start to finish, all in one place.